After building your first FarmCube, you should have a pretty good understanding of how it works to reproduce 2, 10, or 100 more, so that you end up with a cube farm that is constructed out of waste materials, produces healthy food and oxygen in the process, while also utilizes minimal land as well as freshwater resources. Your FarmCubes can be stacked, laid in rows, or a combination in order to best occupy your available space. They can be left open for greater access to the plants inside, or they can be covered to make greenhouse structures so that you have greater control over the climate your plants are growing in. Additionally, because the FarmCubes are built on shipping pallets, they are easily transported by 2 people or can be moved around by use of a forklift. Due to the size and modularity of the FarmCubes, they can be replicated in both rural and urban locations, providing the potential for access to nutrition in food deserts. The goal of CubeFarm is to be a platform that is adaptable to the user's environment, location, skills, and resources to create a democratized, open-source, modular agriculture system with aspirations of reducing material waste and greenhouse gases while increasing food security through collective production. Through all of this, CubeFarm denies singular definitions such as art, design, engineering, activism, or agriculture, but creates a hybridized form for the purposes of addressing real issues through creative problem-solving and aesthetic solutions. See more about CubeFarm by visiting the project's website, https://cube-farm.weebly.com.